Hey babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be doing this quick, easy, glueless install for this hair from Amanda Hair. So this is actually a 5x5 closure wig. Like, this hair is everything, okay? Just think about it. Waking up for work and having to straighten your hair for 40 minutes. We don't want to do that. How about 10 or even 15 at most? This hair is what's going to help you achieve it, because it is 150 density and 18 inches. So not only is it a bit on the shorter side, it is way more manageable than a 200 density wig. It is way easier to go about straightening, styling, curling. Anything that you need to do with this hair, it's gonna be done in less than 15 minutes. I promise you that. So if you'd like to get your hands on this gorgeous unit, the links will be in the description box to do so. But I'm gonna stop rambling. This hair is a 10 out of 10. It just does it for me when it comes on to doing your hair with the least amount of effort. I love this. I'm living for this. And if you'd like to see how I got this wig to look like this and how I installed this unit, did my baby hairs and all that, just keep on watching. after a couple hours of just running around doing stuff, finally I've gotten back to close this video out, and this is the hair without touching it or doing anything for a few hours. This hair is amazing. When I tell you it is humid and hot outside, I went outside, I came back, like I done been around the world and back. Now I'm back here, and this hair is it. It's safe to say that this hair is humidity resistant. It stays bone straight. Once you straighten it, it's straight, and I'm loving it. The lace is gorgeous. This wig is a 5x5 150 density 18-inch unit from Amanda Hair. So this is how it looks. This is the length on it, and I'm loving it. I just love how I got it super silky straight, and you just know that this is one of them wigs that you'll probably wear every day because it's super easy to straighten. It's no hassle to get up to do it. If you have to get up and do it in the morning, you don't have to spend 40 minutes straightening this hair. This hair is a 10-minute done deal. Like, this unit is so perfect. And if you want something low maintenance but you still want straight glam luscious, like, this hair is just giving everything and more. This wig from Amanda Hair is the wig for you. The links will be in my description box to purchase. I'm a bit under the weather, so I don't really have any bad or negative things to say. There's no shedding right now. There is no tangling. There is no matting. And I've been running my hands through this hair since straightening, and I've yet to see any craziness happen. This wig is perfect. It was so easy to pluck, bleach, tint to tint. I literally just rubbed some foundation on a brush on it and boom, like the color went from transparent to my skin tone like that. So again, if you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box to do so. And without further ado, I will see you lovely ladies in my next one.